spaces into extraordinary environments. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Raised garden edging refers to a landscaping technique where a physical barrier is constructed to create a distinct, elevated border between a garden bed and the surrounding area, such as a lawn, walkway, or patio. Unlike flush edging, which sits level with the ground, raised edging stands several inches or even feet tall. It serves as both a functional retaining wall for soil and mulch and a visual frame that highlights the beauty of your plants. It essentially acts as the outline of your outdoor living area, giving the landscape a structured, intentional, and polished appearance. The benefits of incorporating raised garden edging into your landscape go far beyond simple aesthetics. Functionally, it acts as a powerful deterrent against invasive grass and weeds, preventing them from creeping into your carefully curated flower beds. It also plays a vital role in soil management. By keeping soil and mulch contained, it prevents washouts during heavy rain and ensures that nutrients remain where your plants need them most. From a maintenance perspective, raised edging creates a clear mowing strip, allowing you to trim your grass without accidentally damaging your delicate blooms. Furthermore, it adds immediate value to your property by providing that architectural look that professional landscapers strive for, making your garden look organized and well-tended year-round. To make your raised garden edging look truly spectacular, think of it as a canvas for texture and color. You can decorate by layering plants of varying heights, place low-growing ground covers or spillers near the edge so they soften the hard lines of the border, while taller thrillers sit toward the center. Incorporating lighting is another game changer. Solar-powered path lights or recessed LEDs along the edge can highlight the shape of your garden at night, creating a magical ambience. You can also play with the infill material. For instance, using a contrasting color of mulch or decorative river stones against the color of your edging material creates a striking visual pop. Don't be afraid to add decorative elements like small garden statues, lanterns, or bird baths near the corners of your edging to create charming focal points that draw the eye. Choosing the right material is crucial for both durability and style. Natural stone and pavers are perennial favorites because they offer a timeless, high-end look and are virtually indestructible against the elements. For those seeking a more modern or rustic vibe, treated timber or railway sleepers provide a warm, organic feel that blends seamlessly with nature. Metal edging, particularly corten steel, is trending for its sleek profile and the beautiful, protective patina it develops over time. If you are on a budget, high-quality composite or heavy-duty plastic edging can mimic the look of wood or stone while offering flexibility for curved designs. Each material brings a different personality to your garden, so consider the architectural style of your home before making a final selection. Now that we've covered the fundamentals, let's explore some inspiring ideas for incorporating ideas into your project. Here these the compilation of the top 10 best raised garden edging ideas to inspire you for your next project. One, the classic cobblestone curve. This design features a beautiful sweeping curve made of light gray cobblestones. The multi-layered stones create a sturdy barrier that gracefully hugs the lawn, perfectly separating the lush green grass from a vibrant flower bed filled with bright orange zinnias and lush hostas. The light color of the stone provides a clean contrast against the rich soil and green foliage. 2. Modern minimalism with gravel paths. A sophisticated take on backyard organization. This idea uses thin brick or stone borders to create winding paths filled with golden pea gravel. The contrast between the dark mulch of the planting beds, the textured gravel walkway, and the perfectly manicured grass circles creates a geometric masterpiece that feels both open and meticulously organized. 3. Rustic corten steel ribbon. In this design, a thin, weathered steel edge provides a crisp, contemporary border. The rusted orange hue of the metal complements the deep purples of the Japanese maples and the bright green boxwood hedges. It's a perfect example of how a very thin profile can still provide a strong visual lift to a garden path. 4. Sculptural stone and glass integration. This high-end look features a raised bed filled with white and pink river stones, edged with a subtle metal trim. It sits directly against a modern glass-walled home, using architectural plants like succulents and agaves to bridge the gap between the indoor luxury and the outdoor landscape. The large boulders tucked into the pebbles add a natural, rugged feel. 5. Tiered timber sleeper benches. Functional and beautiful, this design uses thick wooden sleepers to create a stepped or tiered garden bed. The heights vary to create visual interest, and the flat tops of the lower tiers can even double as extra seating. This is a fantastic way to handle sloped yards while adding a structured farmhouse-inspired aesthetic. 6. Natural boulder retaining wall. For a look that feels like it was created by nature itself, large, ununiform boulders are stacked to form a rugged raised edge. This style is perfect for cottage-style gardens, as it allows plants like tall grasses and wildflowers to spill over the rocks, creating a soft, romantic, and organic boundary. 7. Clean-cut limestone borders. This idea utilizes rectangular limestone blocks to create a very crisp white border against dark black mulch. The bright white of the stone makes the colors of the flowers, like the pink dianthus, really stand out. It's a classic, neat approach that works wonders for suburban backyards. 8. Circular brick tree ring. Elevate the focal point of your yard by creating a raised circular bed around a mature tree. Using red-toned masonry bricks, this design protects the tree roots while providing a dedicated space for shade-loving flowers and decorative bird baths. It turns a simple tree into a professional-looking landscape feature. 9. Flexible contemporary fluting. This design shows how a flexible dark gray fluted edging can create smooth, elegant waves. It's a practical and affordable way to separate a manicured hedge and flower bed from the lawn. The dark color of the edging recedes, allowing the bright yellow and purple pansies to take center stage. 10. Earth-toned paved framing. Using small multi-tonal paving stones, this edging frames a large mulch bed against a white perimeter wall. The use of earth tones, browns, tans, and grays in the stones ties the garden together, making the transition from the driveway to the lawn feel intentional and high quality. Raised garden edging is truly the secret sauce of a beautiful outdoor living area. It's the difference between a yard that looks nice and a yard that looks professionally designed. By choosing the right materials and playing with shapes, whether they are sharp and geometric or soft and curving, you can create a space that feels organized, lush, and inviting. We hope these ideas have inspired you to look at your garden borders in a whole new way and start your next backyard project. If you enjoyed these garden transformations, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for more weekly inspiration on how to make your home beautiful. Which of these 10 edging styles was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start building, click the link in our description for a list of our favorite garden tools and materials used in today's video. Thanks for watching.